Good evening, guys. It's your boy Jasper in the building. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. Thanks, guys. Thanks for following. We really appreciate. Okay, and please, if you are new to this channel, kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be analyzing Boom 500, and also we were able to cut some pips of this market today, though we entered the trade as at yesterday night and it delivered today this afternoon. It hit our take profit. Okay, in fact it broke our take profit. Okay, so before I start the analysis, I would like to show you guys where I entered. Okay, I entered somewhere here on Boom 500. I entered somewhere here and my take profit was here, and the reason why I placed my take profit here was because on 15 minute time frame I want price to give me my third touch, because price had already given us our first touch, second touch, and third touch here. So I just placed my TP here, meaning if it's not going to hit me, at least it's going to hit my take profit. My stop loss was very tight. I placed it around below it a little bit, because this area is said to be a support. And what do we do on a support zone? We do what? We look out for a buying opportunity and we set our stop loss below it. Okay, so that is that. So let us start the analysis. So as you all know me, I'm a price action trader. Okay, where I do start my analysis from weekly higher time frame in order to see the main view, the major view, where market is going in the nearest future. Okay, so my weekly time frame, first of all you have to do is you need to note your demand zone and your supply zone. So when we talk about supply zone is the highest point depending on the time frame that you are. Okay, so on every time frame we always have our supply zone and our demand zone. So demand zone is said to be what? The lowest point. Okay, so this is our demand zone and this is our supply zone. Okay, so after that I started looking out for a structure or a pattern. Okay, then I discovered I have like a structure here, or should I call it a pattern? Okay, or should I say a trend? Okay, let's say a structure. We have a structure that is price is shutting down according to what we have on our weekly time frame. And let us analyze this weekly first. According to what we are looking at on our weekly time frame, we see price is shorting. So okay, the scenario here is on my weekly time frame I expect price to come back here and do what? And gives us a double bottom formation, that is 1 2. Okay, we expect a double bottom because of the trend 1 2 3. Okay, so we expect price to come back down here and test this area and then start going back up. That is what we anticipate on our weekly time frame. So now let's check our daily time frame. Okay, so this is my daily time frame. On our weekly time frame we discover that the trend is a downtrend market, right? Cool. So on our daily time frame we also have a trend. We call that trends in trend. Okay, we call that trends in trend. Okay, before a trend will be valid we need a minimum of 2 touches, right? Cool. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one, so we are still anticipating the third one here. Okay, so for every support we always have a resistance. So I'll just draw my resistance here, my diagonal resistance, and this is my diagonal support. Okay, so now looking at this, I expect price look at the way price is moving. Look at the way price is moving, guys. Support, resistance, support, resistance. So I assume price will come back down here and test this area, okay, before shooting up. And also because the main trend here at the moment is uptrend market. Okay, so let us check what's happening here. So now I move to my weekly time frame, okay, and then see what's happening. On our weekly time frame I see that price is shorting. Okay, it was like this yesterday. I see price is shorting. Okay, then I discovered that okay, there might be a little pullback here. A pullback on H4 is not a small peep. Okay, it's always a huge pips on lower time frame. So I then discovered that okay, this might actually pull back and test this eye, and also if it comes back here, it's going to give me like two or three confirmations. Why? Because the trend is a downtrend market, and also this is a lower high that the price has created. So whenever price pushes up to this area again, we tend to look out for a selling opportunity. Okay, so I then moved to my lower H1 time frame. Okay, I see on my H1 time frame that I have my first touch here and I have my second touch. So I was looking out for my third touch, and the way price was reacting to this area yesterday, I see that okay, price might tend to pull back a little bit and then gives us our third touch here before we then decide on what to do. At least we set our take profit here as at yesterday. So that was my entry on boom 500 yesterday, and today it hit our take profit. And now what's going to happen now is price going to break this trend line and then push all the way up? I don't know yet. Okay, what I'm going to look at for now is I want to see price break above and then retest. If price can just break above and just test this area, then I'll be ready to take what the buying opportunity all the way up. Okay, all the way up. Okay, but mind you, I'm still looking out for a sell entry. If this current H1 candle can close giving me a depletion, that is an indecision candle, then I'll scale down to my 15-minute and start looking out for a double top or a tweezer top formation. Okay, that is that on boom 500, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, trade addict, unlock, guys.